In this video, I will show you how to use expert option and earn money in Saudi Arabia. So in order to earn money on Saudi Arabia, what we can do is you can head over and then input right here investment. For example, let's invest $100 and you can choose on selling or buying. For this case, let's choose buying. And then I have inputted right here my technique. And you can see that it's actually plummeting right now, which means that if we stay below this line, that means that we actually is losing onto the market. So once we reach in here the green line, that means it's the end of the 30 deal duration. And this baseline right here, if we stay onto the bottom, that means that we'll lose money. But if we arrive at top, we will actually earn something. So as you can see right here, it will now reach the end. And as you can see, I have been deducted $100 and haven't earned anything. So it's a game of chance and studying the actual area.